Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at what are the materials required for a dot painting. So first material that I would say is the surface on which you are going to paint. Here I have a sketchbook paper on which I drew circles and grids and kept it ready for dot painting. It could be an MDF board, either square, rectangle or circular in shape. It could be a canvas, and it could be a pre-stretched canvas, a mug, a stone. You can literally paint on anything. But here as an example, I have a sketchbook paper in which circles and grids are ready. So other than the surface, you certainly require acrylic colors. So for an example, I have two acrylic colors here. So one is light blue, the other one is orange. There are multiple acrylic colors and shades, and the brand depends on the country in which you reside. And the next is the dotting tools. So for dot painting, you need dotting tools. There are three sets of dotting tools that I use. So here is a set of 8. So let me arrange them in the sizes. This is a set of 8 tools which has the flat end, and all you need to do is dip this particular tip into the paint and then just dot on the surface. So this is how we use all these 8 tools, and if you look at all the 8 tools are in different sizes so that you can make different sized dots. So this is one set of 8 tools that I primarily use for dot painting. This is next a set of 5 tools. These are basically nail art tools, but I use it for dot painting too. Majorly all the dot painting artists do use these tools, and when you look at, there are balls at both the end, so one is generally bigger than the other. So depending on the size of the dot that you want to produce, you can choose any tool of your choice and can certainly create amazing dots. Now this is a set of 4 tools. They are basically metal tools, and these are actually used for clay modeling, it seems, and I have never used them for clay modeling. I am using it only for dotting. And among these 4, see, if you arrange it according to the size of the balls they have, so every single ball in this tool are of different size, and I use these 2 tools very frequently. So you can see the color of the tools that I have here. These are these 2 look little older, and these 2 are pretty new, because these 2 I use very less frequently, and these 2 tools I use very frequently, and that's how it is. You can use this also for dotting, and I majorly use this particular metal tool while walking the dots. I'll tell you what is walking the dots later. So as of now, you understand that this tool is majorly used for walking the dots. That's only my personal opinion. So as of now, you understand that you require a surface to paint on, and the dotting tools and the acrylic colors. One more material that I have handy is a bowl of water and an old toothbrush. So why do I have this? Let me give you an example. So let's say I have an acrylic color and this dotting tool, and I'm using this particular ball to dot, and then I dip it in the paint, I dot it on a surface, and then I want to clean this because I want to use this ball for dotting with some other color. So what I do is I just dip it into the bowl and then clean it with the brush. See, now this is clean, pretty clean. And I also have a piece of cloth, and then I'll wipe it off. So every time I dot, I make sure I'll clean the tool as well, so that the stain of the color doesn't stay on that tool. So to summarize, these are the materials that are required for dot painting: a surface to paint on, acrylic colors and dotting tools, a bowl of water with an old toothbrush, and a piece of cloth. Alternatively, you can have tissue papers too. I'm sure all of you loved watching this video, and thank you for watching.